In today's video, I'll show you how you can share someone's story on Instagram to your own story without being tagged in it. This is very easy and I'll show you how you can do it in under 2 minutes. So if it does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. So in this example here, we're going to use Justin Bieber's story. If we click on his story here, you can see he's only posted one image on his story and it's just this picture here. So what do we need to do if we wanted to post this image to our story? So the first thing you need to do is go to any web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and you need to go to a website here called storysaver.net. So just type that in on whatever web browser you're using and it should take you here. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down here to the box. Now in this box, what you want to do is click on it, and here you can type in the account of the person you want to repost their story. So I'm going to type in Justin Bieber here and we're going to click on download. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up all of the stories that Justin Bieber has posted in the last 24 hours. Now he's only added one story here. You can see it says 1 stories. And if we scroll down, we'll be able to see the story here. So here is that story. You can then save this photo. So we've now downloaded that photo to our phone. Now we can repost it onto our own Instagram without being tagged. So now we can head back to Instagram. We can click on our profile. We can click on the story icon, we can swipe up, and here in the gallery we've got that picture, so we're going to click on it, and here we can then go and add this to our story, and we're essentially reposting that picture without being tagged on Instagram.